Hello everyone, this is Jason from Force Hammer Gaming, and with this video I'm going to be doing something different than the usual YouTube videos that I've been putting out, and that is I am going to be building a Gundam model, also known as Gunpla. So when it comes to my, background with modeling, I've done modeling with Warhammer 40k, years ago. Haven't really done it recently with Gundam models in particular. I remember long time ago when I was a kid, I bought a Gundam model like this one, and I vaguely remember putting it together, although I don't know where it is right now. So anyways, this is going to be the first in a series of videos. I'm going to do a few of these, and then, if you like it, want to see more of it, let me know, and I will, make more of these videos. So with this model in particular, it's a high-grade model here, so you can see HG, and so that's, I guess, good for people that have some experience with modeling. As someone like me who has a little bit of experience in the past with modeling, and with this model in particular, I chose it because it's based on the first Gundam series that I watched, which is Gundam Wing. I remember watching it way back in the day when I was a teen, and it was airing on Canada, in Canada, and yeah, and so I decided to make this one the Wing Gundam mobile suit. So anyways, without further ado, let us get started. Okay, and that is it for our video. So, as you can see, model is finished, and I think overall, it looks good. I think I did an okay job with it. Admittedly, if you're watching this and your experience building Gundam models, you probably saw a bunch of mistakes that I made or things that I can improve on. But I'm still very new to doing this, so I think it turned out okay, considering my lack of experience doing this. Just a couple of notes. When I was doing the changing this into bird mode, I noticed that the leg platings here were actually on backwards, so I changed that. Also, a couple parts I had to super glue. The hands, I had to glue the hands together, otherwise the weapons here would kind of fall off. Also, this V shaped yellow crest at the top, that I had to unfortunately super glue that as well. Sorry, just trying to get this into focus. But overall, I think it turned out okay. In future models that I do, I may ink the crevices here just to make the model stand out more. But we'll see how it goes. Maybe for the first couple of models, I'll probably just put it together as is. And then down the road, maybe I'll just add more inking and other stuff to, make the models stand out. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, actually, before I forget, so you may notice that I'm wearing these gloves, these latex gloves for building the models. But admittedly, this will probably be the first and last time I wear these gloves. If I can be honest with you, my fingernails are a little bit rough, so I just kind of thought maybe I'll just cover it up with these gloves. But using these gloves, it makes building the models more difficult than it should be. Also, I had to go through a bunch of these gloves because when you take them off, hands all sweaty because they don't really breathe, I guess. And so I have to keep using new gloves almost, most of the time. So you go through a lot of these gloves. Well, at least I do when building these models. So going forward, I'm just going to use bare hands. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my other social media accounts in the description below. Until next time, this is Jason from Force Hammer Gaming, signing off.